Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a paper, ARQuake, Modifications and Hardware for Outdoor Augmented Reality Gaming. This paper was published in 2003. Actually, before this paper, there were two papers explaining how to play ARQuake, and this paper focuses more on the implementation before this system. So what's ARQuake? ARQuake is an AR version of Quake. Quake system is a desktop game, and after making some modifications to the source code of Quake, now the new ARQuake can support augmented reality and can be played in the outdoor environment. There are some requirements for this system. Firstly, we need a mobile computer so that the user can carry it to the outdoors to process all the information. We need a suitable head-mounted display, just like the left picture. And we need a custom backpack, like the right picture. So we can put the mobile computer and other small devices into the backpack. It's necessary for the user to carry this backpack. For the hardware, we use GPS to let the computer know the user's location. We use a hybrid sensor to get all the information about the orientation of the user's head. And we use a camera to observe the surrounding environments and deliver them to the computer. In addition, for hardware, we need to make software modifications to interface with the devices to provide the augmented reality function. For the tracking, we use software architecture to pass all the outputs from the GPS and hybrid sensor and deliver them to the game engine. In order to simulate the shooting action, we use a plastic gun with buttons linked up to the computer. When the user presses the trigger, the gun will also shoot. Finally, there are two ways to perform augmented reality 3D overlay. One is optical overlay. In this way, the computer generates the image with black pixels where it wants the user to see the real world, and colors in pixels where it wants to show an object. This way is easy to perform, but the performance is not good. We can see from the picture, the real world looks a little black, and the object looks more bright. It's not intuitive to the user. And there is another way to perform the augmented reality function. In this way, we use a video camera to view the world, and the frames from the camera are combined with the rendering of the 3D graphics inside the computer, and the final display is shown to the user. We can see from the picture the performance is good. The environment is bright and the object looks real. There are some limitations for this system. Firstly, the price is very high because the various devices like the cameras, the special designed backpacks, and so on. The price is more than about $10,000, so it's not enough to be sold into the practical market. And also, some actions such as laying down or looking around corners, it's not possible to implement. And because this system was modified from the old code of Quake, there are some modifications are limited by the old features. There are some strengths. Firstly, this system gives us an approach to modify the traditional desktop game to a mobile outdoor AR game, and also it provides a new idea that we can take an AR factor into consideration when developing the game. We all know that AR game is more interesting to the users. And finally, I have three discussion questions. You can think about it. First, can we use the approach described in the paper to modify other games so that they can also support VR? And second, with development of technology, will there be some improvements for this system? And finally, how about the price for today's outdoor AR game system? And that's all. Thanks for watching.